This hydrotherapy video just shows basic hip exercises against water resistance only without using anything additional like floats or noodles. So the first movement is hip flexion, bringing your leg forwards, and then we go to hip abduction or taking your leg out to the side, and then the next one is hip extension, which is bringing your leg back. So you can just do this as single exercises, or you can incorporate your arm as well, so you can drag your arm backwards and forwards as your leg is going backwards and forwards, as shown now. And then you can progress from swinging your leg forwards and backwards to doing it on both sides, and this just incorporates the arm as well. And then you would progress from there to a jumping exercise where you're doing both legs at once. So this is fairly static with holding on for balance, and as I said, these are quite basic exercises, but you'd progress from here to walking exercises and using resistance as well. The next bit of the video just shows the exercises again: hip flexion, abduction and extension, and then progressing to swinging your leg forwards and backwards, using your arm as well for resistance, and then incorporating both legs with jumping and holding on to the side for balance.